afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is the Boss Couple 22, and this time we're in Paphos, Cyprus at night, which will be mysterious, beautiful, and an unforgettable experience. Walk with us. Just had dinner, so we're just strolling around, just walking off the excess of food and beverages. Paphos Old Town is a treasure trove of culture, education, and historic artifacts, making it a must-visit destination. As we cruised around the old town, we embarked upon universities, schools, colleges, and social science, art and humanities buildings. In the town of Paphos, they found ruins which predated the modern city. And so Paphos is built on Roman remains. And here is a glass section showing the remains underneath. Very fascinating. And as you can see, very detailed. If I'm correct, I think they said this was a staircase leading either from a main street or in somebody's house leading down the stairs. I believe this was some kind of nursing college. I had a gate anyway. We tried to go inside it, but it was locked. So we could only admire it from outside. Very impressive. I do believe some of these busts were the busts of former headmasters, or heads of years. Even a gymnasium is on the site. When you actually look at some of these busts,